It's the next morning, Wednesday, 7 a.m. We hit the local train station. Gonna be headed down to Tokyo, into the heart of the city. Now I think we're about 15 minutes out, but it is just another world of a city out here. I'll keep coming in and out throughout the video. I'm hoping to catch some car scene of some sort. Why are people up so early? It's too quiet on these trains. This is not like New York City. One of the subway systems here. Everyone is headed somewhere. This looks like our home. New York City style subway.
Your drinks, your coffee.
We got hot coffee, cold coffee, all the baked goods.
Everything conveniently at your fingertips.
Look at all these people here. Look at the lineup. As far as the eye can see. Should I give him a thumbs up? I need a ride. Pick me up. Trains are packed.
Shibuya, Shibuya. ご乗車ありがとうございます。電車とホームの間は帰路にご注意ください。
Welcome to the Autobahn, where bikes are going faster than the cars. This is not the Autobahn, just kidding. This guy's fast too. I mean, look at this place. It's unreal. Oh, there's those two little taxis. That's what I'm talking about. It's called the S Ride. I mean, I'm not too following it, but look at that name.
Luke's Lobsters, isn't it?
What is that? I don't want to say that word, but it does have eggs in it.
Store. Get us a backpack.
Shinjuku Station. National Museum, Tokyo National Museum. Oh, there's a geisha. Wonder what she's doing here. Probably lost. Oh, so here we got a mobile coffee. Oh, that's kind of cool. Here we got some ramen.
Baby sleeping.
Sorry. Restaurants on every corner. Taito game. I guess it's arcade.
You're charging your phone. Put it in the small pocket.
Just advertisement. Heads of people. We have here some. Is this Wagyu? Wagyu.
Bro, that's
Look at this marbling, and then we'll put it's Korean barbecue style. So we. Oh, thank you so much. We got spicy tofu, and that's bone broth, and then we got some rice, and throw that on there. I'm sure you guys know. We're gonna dig in. So we just got a special delivery of this goodness. Watch it go on that grill. I wish you guys could smell this. It's a little hole in the wall. And that street is where all the shopping and the market is. So just gotta pop your head in through those little doors, and you got these places to see. Alright, day 2 of exploring. We're at the Tokyo Skytree. We're gonna attempt to go on the view deck up there. Probably that up there. I think the internet or online said about $7 to get up there. Nissan, yeah, probably a hybrid. Yeah, this thing's a beauty. Display. Nice color, bronze. Man, that structure is insane. That's floor 350. Are you kidding me? Ta-da! Woo! Sheesh! It's all hazy. We got the haze going on. Alright, man. Check it out. New York has nothing on this. No way. Man, this is like Legos. This is a good deal. The shadow. Yeah, the haze cleared up.
On this side.
Man. Intense. I mean, as far as like the horizon line, there's just buildings.
Yeah.
Got the shadow of the... Floor 450 of the Skytree.